We've had our dehydrator for a couple of months now, and I feel like I have turned myself into a dehydrating queen. I want to dehydrate everything. And one of the tips I just want to share is I was really nervous in the beginning about putting different fruits and vegetables, just worrying about will they dehydrate at the same time. It doesn't matter. I have discovered that it's not going to ruin anything. You can open this door. Like I was worried, like you open this, you're letting all this air out, it's gonna ruin it. It doesn't. So I actually started dehydrating yesterday, and I had bananas, I had strawberries, I had lemons, limes, oranges. And so the bananas and the strawberries were done in the set time, but my oranges here were not quite finished. So I was like, no big deal. I pulled all the racks out. I took the pieces that were done, added some more, and I'm like, we're just gonna keep checking on those oranges. So again, you can set it and forget it and not have to worry about anything being ruined.